Horses out, we have Joel's Choice, pass to begin, down inside is Victory Joe. Manila's Gem is racing in third, Moscow Ballet, walk the talk, inner class, and he's the man, he's the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have Victory Joe by about 2.5 lengths. Joel's Choice in second, and in third, Manila's Gem, inner class, moving up by the to take third, and 2 lengths away in fourth, Moscow Ballet, walk the talk, and he's the man still racing in last. Meanwhile, we have Victory Joe by about a length and a half. Joel's Choice now trying to get closer in second, inner class in third, Manila's Gem in fourth, Moscow Ballet moving up, he's the man and walk the talk, and it's still Victory Joe by Oralenga, and on the outside second is Joel's Choice, inner class now moving up to take third, Manila's Gem in fourth, he's the man, walk the talk, and Moscow Ballet as they come down to the last 150, and it's still Victory Joe, and on the outside is Joel's Choice, Manila's Gem, inner class, Victory Joe by about 3 lengths over Joel's Choice, inner class, Manila's Gem, and finally, Victory Joe, second, inner class, Joel's Choice, Manila's Gem, walk the talk, he's the man, and Moscow Ballet.
Talagang in top